So I'm gonna head on outside real quick and just check on all the spigots that we covered. How many days has it been, babe? 3, 4? Third day. But it's, what's the degrees outside?
18.
It's 18 degrees with a probably like a 5-degree wind chill, but we're gonna go check the front right now so you can see this ain't snow, this is ice. This is ice, rain ice, and cold. Ooh, it's cold. So, you can see here, pretty slick. Get the cap off. Sucker's frozen. I left them leaking a little bit. The pipes will burst. Cold out here. Just gotta double check. Make sure that we have these guys leaking just a little bit. Just be careful on that. It's icy under the snow.
Where am I?
No. Looking for the sun. Texas keeps talking about 16 degrees with a wind chill of -10. It's feeling like 3 degrees, and come Monday it's going to get a lot worse. I've already locked. I'm going to head for my shitter. The shitter's full.
Shitter was full.
But it is cold. Yeah. No joke.